Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Vijaya Biology Tutorials. Today we are going to learn the video regarding the topic respiration. And before going to the topic, please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, how are you all? I feel everyone is good. And let's go to the worksheet. So this worksheet is related to the topic respiration. So what is respiration? Respiration is nothing but the process of breathing, the process of exhalation and inhalation. Together it makes up the respiration. Yeah, now let's go to the first question. Which air is called as fixed air? Carbon dioxide is called as a fixed air. Which scientists have proposed this one? Means Lavoisier has proposed this one, that carbon dioxide is called as the fixed air. Yeah, let's go to the next question. Which life process is responsible for production of energy? Respiration is important for the production of energy. Why? Because during the process of the respiration, there will be uptake of the food will be broken down with the help of the oxygen, and oxidation of the food materials takes place, and there will be release of energy, which is important. So here the respiration is the process that is responsible for the production of energy. Nothing but in the respiration process there will be oxidation of the food. Due to the oxidation of the food, the glucose will be produced, which gives us the energy. Now let's go to the third question. Respiration means, here they have asked the definition of respiration. Respiration means it is a whole chain of process from the inhalation of the air to the use of oxygen in the cells. So we know that nothing but it is inhalation of the air, means first we inhale the air, and after inhaling the air, in that air different types of gases will be present, but in that different types of the gases we take only oxygen, and that oxygen will be utilized by the cells for the production of the energy. And after the production of the energy, there will be sending out of the unwanted gases in the form of exhalation. So respiration is nothing but it is a whole chain of process from the inhalation of the air to the use of oxygen in the cells. Means after usage of the oxygen, the unwanted gases will be sent out throughout the body through the process of exhalation. So that is the definition for the question respiration. Now let's go to the fourth blank. Dash is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. So we know that air is having different types of the gases, and oxygen, here oxygen is present in 21%. So carbon dioxide 0.03%. Like that we are having nitrogen is 78% nitrogen. Like that different types of the gases are present in different percentages. So air is a mixture of gases. Next, where is hemoglobin present? Hemoglobin, we know that it is a red color pigment which is present in the blood. Let us read out the answer. The hemoglobin is the pigment present in the blood for the purpose of transport of oxygen. If the hemoglobin is not there, there will be no transport of oxygen occurring in the blood. Why? Because the hemoglobin is the oxygen carrier which helps in the transporting to all the parts of the body through the blood. Now next question. From which Latin words the term respiration is derived? The term respiration is derived from the Latin word respire, meaning to breathe. So the answer is respire. It is derived from the Latin word respire, which means that to breathe. Next, what conclusion can be derived from the Lavoisier's experiments? From Lavoisier's experiments, we can conclude that air is a mixture of gases. Yeah, we know that air is a mixture of gases. He has done different types of the experiments, and finally, from his experiments, we can learn that air is a mixture of gases. Next, what happens if oxygen is not in the air? Combustion process do not occur if oxygen is not in the air. Combustion means which takes place in the presence of the oxygen. So this combustion process do not occur if the oxygen is not there in the air. Next question. Appreciate the role of scientists in the development of respiration concept in your own words. So this you can write by your own some of the points I am mentioning here, and if you want you can add some more points, or you can change the points also. So in your words you can appreciate the role of the scientist. So let us read one by one. Lavoisier and Priestley did a number of experiments and finally told about the properties of gases. So from their experiments only we were able to know about the properties of gases. Yeah, let's go to the next point. Yeah, next point. So next point is, they also have concluded that air is a mixture of gases. So from Lavoisier experiments we can tell that air is a mixture of gases. Next, combustion process would not have been understood without the scientist work. So if the scientists do not do any sort of the works, we were not be able to learn about we were not able to know about the process of the combustion. Next, exchange of gases was also been observed by the scientists. That's what we can say. In plants, if you observe, or if in the human beings, the respiration process, these all were done only with the help of the scientists' works only. Without the scientists' hard work, we would not have been able to understand the biochemical and physical steps in the process of respiration. So, in the respiration process, we are having both biochemical process as well as the physical steps also. So that all we can understand only by the hard work of the scientists. So these are some of the points I have noted down. If you want, you can write still more points. So these are the questions of the worksheet, and if you're having any doubts, you can ask me. I think everyone has understood the worksheet. And if you're having any doubts, you can comment me. Surely I'll answer to your questions. Thank you.